For years, wireless earbuds have felt like a solved category. You pop them in your ears, you listen to music, you take phone calls, and maybe you block out the drone of an airplane engine with active noise cancellation. We thought Apple had reached the absolute limit of what a tiny piece of plastic sitting in your ear canal could possibly achieve. But behind locked doors in Cupertino, Apple's advanced audio engineering and spatial computing labs have been working on a project so radical, so completely unexpected, that it is about to turn everything we know about personal tech upside down. Massive supply chain leaks, confidential component manifests, and internal hardware test builds have officially exposed Apple's next-generation flagship audio wearable, the AirPods Pro 4. And this is not just a routine firmware update or a minor tweak to battery life. Apple is preparing to integrate actual, functional cameras directly into the earbuds. If you think you know what wireless earbuds are capable of, you need to stop what you are doing and listen closely. The AirPods Pro 4 are engineered to act as wearable artificial intelligence nodes, changing how we interact with the physical world forever. To understand why tech analysts and industry insiders are losing their minds over these leaked documents, we have to look at the most shocking hardware secret hidden inside the upcoming design: miniature infrared camera modules. According to reports leaking out of major component manufacturing lines, Apple is embedding microscopic, rice-grain-sized infrared cameras directly into the stems of the AirPods Pro 4. For years, rumors suggested Apple wanted to bring spatial awareness to its audio line, but industry insiders assumed that meant better gyroscope tracking or advanced head pose sensors. Instead, Apple is giving its earbuds eyes. Think about what that actually means for daily use. These microscopic cameras aren't designed to record traditional video or snap personal photographs. That would be a privacy nightmare and a physical impossibility given their size. Instead, these infrared lenses are engineered to capture low-resolution environmental data and feed it directly into Apple's on-device neural processors and the next-generation Siri. Imagine walking down a busy city street, looking at a restaurant menu, a historical landmark, a transit map, or a complex piece of architecture, and simply asking Siri a question about it. The cameras embedded in your earbuds see what you are looking at in real time, process the visual context instantly through localized artificial intelligence, and whisper the answer directly into your ear. It is the ultimate hands-free implementation of visual intelligence, bringing augmented reality contextual awareness straight to your senses without requiring heavy, bulky smart glasses strapped to your face. Furthermore, these infrared sensors unlock a completely new dimension of gesture control. Instead of awkwardly tapping or squeezing the stem of your earbud while walking or running, the AirPods Pro 4 can track subtle hand movements and spatial gestures right near your face. A subtle wave can skip a track, a slight finger pinch can answer a phone call, and microgestures can adjust your volume or toggle active noise cancellation modes seamlessly. And the hardware revolution doesn't stop at the cameras. To process complex visual feeds, spatial audio arrays, and advanced neural machine learning models locally without killing your battery in 10 minutes, Apple is introducing an all-new proprietary audio chip architecture, the H3 Silicon. The H3 chip represents a monumental leap over the current H2 architecture found in previous models. Fabricated on an ultra-efficient subnode process, the H3 chip features dedicated hardware neural accelerators built right into the silicon core. This allows the AirPods Pro 4 to handle real-time ambient audio calculations at speeds never before seen in a consumer wearable. Active noise cancellation is getting a staggering upgrade as well. While current models do an incredible job of silencing background hums, leaks indicate that the H3 chip powers an adaptive acoustic algorithm capable of neutralizing complex, fluctuating high-frequency noises like sudden sirens, crying babies, or sharp industrial sounds in less than a millisecond. The transparency mode is also being completely rewritten, utilizing beamforming audio processing to make the outside world sound so natural and crystal clear that it feels like you aren't wearing earbuds at all. Audio fidelity is another area where Apple is pushing past the boundaries of traditional Bluetooth limitations. With the bandwidth capabilities unlocked by the H3 chip and ecosystem-wide optimizations, the AirPods Pro 4 are heavily tipped to support uncompressed, ultra-low latency lossless audio streaming. Every subtle breath in a vocal track, every spatial nuance of an acoustic guitar, and every heavy sub-bass drop in a cinematic mix will be delivered to your eardrums with absolute bit-perfect accuracy, matching the high-end audio standards previously reserved for expensive wired studio monitors. Let's talk about the physical design and ergonomics, because packing cameras, advanced processors, and larger batteries into a compact form factor is an engineering tightrope walk. According to leaked CAD schematics, the overall shell of the AirPods Pro 4 will maintain the sleek, iconic aesthetic that users love, but with subtle refinements. The stems are redesigned with microperforations and flush-mounted optical and infrared sensor windows that remain practically invisible to the naked eye. The charging case is also getting a massive overhaul. Leaked production mock-ups show a slimmed-down, pocket-friendly case featuring an upgraded U2 ultra-wideband chip for precision tracking, a built-in speaker for louder Find My alerts, and a reinforced USB-C port alongside support for faster wireless and magnetic charging pads. Battery life, often the Achilles heel of feature-packed smart wearables, has somehow been improved. Despite the immense power draw required to run infrared cameras and neural processing units, Apple's advanced power management within the H3 chip ensures that users will still get up to 6 hours of continuous listening time on a single charge with ANC enabled, pushing past 30 total hours when factoring in the charging case. A quick 5-minute charge in the case will give you another full hour of playback, ensuring your earbuds are always ready to go. Apple is also doubling down on health technology. Following the groundbreaking hearing health additions introduced to previous generations such as clinical-grade hearing aid capabilities and automated hearing test software, the AirPods Pro 4 are rumored to expand biometric tracking sensors. Enhanced motion accelerometers and skin conductivity sensors will allow for more precise fitness tracking, posture monitoring, and biometric feedback straight through your health app dashboard. Now, let's address the release window and pricing strategy that has supply chain analysts talking. Industry reports heavily point to an official launch window arriving in the second half of the year, aligning with Apple's major autumn hardware event. Because these upgrades represent such a massive generational shift, speculation remains active on whether Apple will brand them straight as the AirPods Pro 4 or introduce them as an elite, higher-tier AirPods Ultra product sitting above the existing lineup. Regardless of the final naming convention, pricing is expected to target the traditional flagship tier around $249, cementing its place as the gold standard of premium personal audio. The era of dumb wireless earbuds is officially coming to a close. We are stepping into an age where our accessories actively see, understand, and assist us in navigating the world around us. The AirPods Pro 4 are shaping up to be the most futuristic wearable Apple has ever created.